Hello everyone, you're welcome back again. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to solve for the value of x in this beautiful exponential equation. We are given that 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 36. Then how are we going to solve for the value of x from this equation? Note, the variable we are looking for appear as the exponent. That's why we call this an equation, an exponential equation. And if you look at this equation, the base here is 3 and here we have 36. There's no way we can make the base to be the same. So therefore, we are going to apply logarithm. So we can take the log of both sides to base 10, or we take the log of both sides to base 3, since the variable appear in only one side of the equation, which is this left hand side. But in this video, let's take the log of both sides to the base of 3. When we do that, we're going to have log of 3 raised to the power of x to the base of 3, which is going to be equal to log of 36 to the base of 3. Now recall one of the property of logarithm. When you have log of a term raised to the power of another term, the power is going to go back to multiply the log. So what did I mean? This x here is going to come back to multiply the log. This is one of the property of logarithm. So when we apply that property, we are going to have x multiplied by log of 3 to the base of 3, which is equal to log of 36 to the base of 3. Now we recall another property of logarithm. We say that a log of a term to its base, when the number and the base is the same as 1. So look at here. We have log 3 to base 3 is the same as 1, but then 1 multiplied by x is going to give us x. So the whole of this is going to be 1 multiplied by x is going to be the same as x. So everything will be equal to log of 36 to the base of 3. Now we have x to be equal to log 36 to the base of 3. But we're not going to stop at here. We need to simplify this right hand side to its lowest form. Now what do? We need to break this 36. We're going to have x to be equal to log of 36 is the same as 3 multiplied by 12, which is the same as 36, then to the base of 3. Now we're going to recall one of the property of logarithm again. We see that when we have log of a multiplied by b, this is the same as what? Log of a plus log of b. For instance, if there is base here, let's say base y here, here will be log a to base y, log b to base y. So this property, as you can see, the left hand side of this property is the same as the right hand side of this equation. So what do? We need to transform this into this form by, say what? Log 3 to base 3 plus this multiplication is going to change to plus. Then we have log plus log 12 to the base of 3. So applying this property, we are going to have x to be equal to log of 3 to the base of 3 plus log of 12 to the base of 3. Now we're going to have what? X to be equal to log 3 to base 3. As you can see here, we say log 3 to base 3 is the same as 1. Here also number and the base are the same. So we are the whole of this term is going to be 1, then plus log of this 12 can also be break as 3 multiplied by 4 is the same as 12. So we can rewrite that 12 as 3 multiple 4, then to the base of 3. Now we need to apply this property again to this place. As you can see, this is in form of this. So applying this property, we are going to transform into this form. We are going to have x to be equal to 1 plus log of 3 to the base of 3 plus log of 4 to the base of 3. Now we are going to have x to be equal to, here we have 1, and here again we have log 3 to base 3, which is the same as 1 as earlier explained. Then that 1 plus this 1 is going to give us 2. Then plus log 4 to base 3 is the same as log of 4 to the base of 3. So therefore, the value of x that satisfies this exponential equation is 2 plus log 4 to the base of 3. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow this page for more videos like this.